to go get some food. We changed our outfits. And yeah, so we're excited because we're hungry. So this is where we decided to eat. We didn't vlog because we was talking. It was so good though. And the drinks was good. We only had one, but it was really good. Again, now we're going to the festival.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
Hey guys, it's Vlogmas day 14. Wow. Hey guys, I am waiting for the train right now. So guys, I'm on my way to a hotel right now. Rose, Nat, and I are going to be staying in a hotel tonight due to the snowstorm. So we about to be lit. Our job does this every time because, you know, trains get messed up, roads are bad. So we about to get lit, okay? This is our room.
Welcome to MTV Cribs. Alright, so let me show you around my house.
Alright, go ahead.
Don't mind my chanclas. It's a beauty. Oh, sorry, they not paying us. You don't pay nothing.
No, they don't get it.
So here's our beds, our royal thrones or whatever.
Yes.
800 thread count sheets.
Okay.
Right? Here's our flat screen, 100 inches. I know it looks small, but we had to zoom out, alright, to fit the thing.
We have to come all the way back here.
Exactly. And then here we have our Versace mirror, okay?
Period.
Versace, only Versace. No shoes in the bathroom.
No
sorry.
shoes, no shoes,
Right.
only socks.
So here we have our chandelier glass shower, right? And our marble floors that match the walls, okay? And this mirror is Givenchy, okay? Givenchy mirror. And then here we have our hot tub, bathtub. I know y'all don't see the spinners,
yeah.
exactly, but they were trapped. What y'all know about that? Okay, that's that new money, okay? And here is our self-flipping toilet, okay? Right, I'm gonna just show y'all real quick. No, y'all not on this, okay? It's all right. So here we go.
Take this shot and we're all not trying to take it.
I know. I was just about to say we're
Hold
avoiding
on.
it.
Come zoom in on the cup.
But who poured it though?
Do you see how
Natalie poured these.
did
Yes,
not.
it.
You have no
Yes,
proof.
it.
You have no
Yes,
proof.
it.
You have no proof.
Yes, it.
You have no proof.
Yes, it. Okay.